welcome to my very first mystery unboxing video. I'm so excited. It's for me to know and you to find out. The delivery guy came a day early. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's see what it is. Oh boy. I should turn it around. Not until you can't see it. Not yet. Oh boy. Extremely excited. Oh boy. In the future, I'll do more mystery unboxing videos. This should be the most exciting one so far. Sorry. Oh boy. It's in the bag. It's tough. Oh boy. Look what we've got here. The beautiful, gorgeous Brian May Red Special. It's even more beautiful than I thought. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How can you not appreciate that? Look at it. It's so beautiful. I could just cry. My music teacher's gonna be so surprised. Can't wait to show it to him. So glad I got to show it to you today. Isn't it amazing? Oh my gosh. It's unfortunate that I don't have an amp, but that'll come soon. My music teacher has one, so not too bad. Isn't it amazing? And here's the stuff it came with, the strings. What gauge are they in? 9 gauge, I think. They're gold. It's a tremolo, or whammy bar. I don't keep saying tremolo, it's a whammy bar. It's the sixpence and the wiping cloth. It's a little dirty, I have to wipe it. Oh, and the shirt. I love the shirt. Gotta make this quick. Dinner's on the stove. Oh my gosh, just look how beautiful. Oh boy. I love it. I can't wait to play it. The teacher's gonna be so excited about this. I'm excited about this. Sounds beautiful. I don't know if you can hear it. You might. Oh, I can't wait to play it. Alright, I gotta get back to cooking dinner. I got pea soup. I'll see ya.